Have you ever wanted to say something in English, but the words just wouldn't come out? Your heart knew what to say, but your tongue said nothing. You froze, right? You smiled, but inside, you felt small. Hey, I get it. You're not alone. I've been there too, afraid of speaking, afraid of being judged, afraid of mistakes. But you know what I learned? English is not about perfection. It's about connection. And today, we're going to learn it, not with boring grammar, not with fear, but with stories, emotions, and real conversation. So take a deep breath, my friend. Relax. Smile. Because this class is not a lecture. It's a journey, a story, and by the end of it, you'll feel something powerful inside you, confidence. Let me tell you about Lucy. She was 24, smart, funny, and full of dreams. But there was one thing that held her back: English. Lucy worked in a cafe in Chicago. Every morning, she saw tourists ordering coffee so easily. Hey, can I get a cappuccino? One latte to go, please. Lucy smiled, served them, but said only one word: okay. She wanted to talk more, to ask, how's your day? Or, where are you from? But every time she tried, her voice got stuck. One day, a customer said kindly, "You have a nice smile. What's your name?" Lucy blushed, looked down, and whispered, "Lucy." That night, she sat on her bed, tears in her eyes, and said to herself, "Why can't I just speak? I know the words, but they hide inside me." That night changed everything. The next morning, Lucy made a promise. "I will speak English every day. Even if it's wrong. Even if I sound silly." She looked in the mirror and started small. "Hi Lucy. How are you today?" "I'm good, thank you. How about you?" She laughed at her own accent but kept going. Then she started listening to English podcasts every night before bed. Just voices, rhythm, and emotion. She didn't care about grammar anymore. She cared about feeling the language. Slowly, her mind stopped translating. When she saw coffee, she didn't think of her native word, she just thought coffee. When she saw the sky, she said beautiful, without even thinking. And that, my friend, is how real English begins, not from the book, but from the heart. One busy morning, Lucy was at work when a customer asked, "Hey, can I get a large mocha with extra cream?" Lucy smiled and replied, "Of course, one large mocha with cream. Anything else?" The man said, surprised, "Wow, your English is great." Lucy's heart jumped. That one moment, that one small sentence, made her day. She realized she didn't need perfect grammar. She needed courage. That night she said to herself, "Every day, I will speak. I will make mistakes. And I will grow." And she did, day by day. Now, let's practice like Lucy. I'll say something, and you repeat it out loud, okay? Don't just listen. Speak with me. Right finger, "Hi, how are you today?" Right finger, "I'm doing great, thank you." Right finger, "What are you doing right now?" Right finger, "I'm practicing English." Good. Now a short conversation down finger. Speaking head. A. Hey, do you speak English? B. A little, but I'm learning. A. That's awesome. Keep going. B. Thank you, I will. C. It's easy when you try with confidence. Don't think too much, just speak. And remember, speech balloon fluency is not fast talking. Fluency is feeling free while talking. Lucy shared her 5 golden tips for every learner. Keycap 1. Think in English, don't translate. Just feel the words. Keycap 2. Speak to yourself, the mirror is your best friend. Keycap 3. Listen with your heart, notice tone, rhythm, and feelings. Keycap 4. Forget fear, mistakes don't make you weak, silence does. Keycap 5. Celebrate progress, Even one English word a day means growth. These aren't just tips. They are tiny steps that build your confidence brick by brick. In the US, people love when you're open and confident. If someone says, "Hey, what's up?" you can say, "Not much, just relaxing." If someone says, "How's your day?" say, "Pretty good, how about you?" Simple, natural, real. Confidence is not about accent. It's about your energy, your smile, your vibe. Lucy used to speak quietly, eyes down. Now she speaks with a smile, shoulders straight. Because she knows, English is her friend now. After 3 months, Lucy changed completely. She started helping customers, talking to coworkers, and even making jokes. One day, her boss said, "Lucy, you've really improved. You should train our new staff." She smiled, not just with her lips, but with her heart. That shy girl was gone. In her place stood a confident, shining woman who believed in herself. And she didn't just learn English. She learned courage. My friend, maybe you're like Lucy. Maybe you've been silent for too long. But today, that ends. Start small, 1 sentence a day. Talk to your mirror. Talk to your phone. Talk to yourself, but in English. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now, because your voice matters. One day, you'll look back and say, "Wow, I did it. I can speak English." And that day, I'll be here smiling and saying, "I told you, my friend, you could do it all along." This is your friend Akash, reminding you to stay kind, stay confident, and keep speaking English, every single day. See you in the next class.